Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another XUV 500 which has come for the complete clutch replacement. At the moment you can just have a look at the vehicle. So we have removed completely the clutch gearbox, everything has been removed. You can just have a look at it. You can just check out the chassis has been completely removed, and this is the gearbox which has been completely removed from the vehicle, and we are going to procure the brand new clutch releaser bearing and the pressure plate. So I'll be showing you the clutch. So you can just have a look at the clutch at the moment. So this is the clutch and that's the pressure plate. We also have a tar at the moment which is for the complete service, radiator service, and also you can just check out all the bearings have been removed, the complete wheel has been removed. This is also going to be faced, you can just check out. And drive shaft, there is a problem with the drive shaft, so everything is going to be replaced. Complete service is going to be done. All the pipes, hose pipes are going to be replaced on this tar. So stay tuned and watch our channel. So for any kinds of Mahindra cars or Tata cars 4x4, you can just contact us for service. Our workshop name is Jeepzone Bangalore. We're completely based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe. And right now you can just have a look at this XUV. So we are going to get a brand new clutch on the vehicle. This is the gearbox which has been removed, and we'll be replacing the releaser bearing also, and we'll be using a Mahindra genuine parts in this, and we'll be getting a Mahindra clutch complete kit. It's manufactured by Valio. For any kinds of service regarding XUV 500 also, you can just contact us. For more details, WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, contact us. Thank you.